Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are making another quilling card. For this card I have taken an A4 size sheet and folded in half. And here I have taken a pink strip which is about 1 centimeter wide and these green strips which will go alongside the pink one. Also, one thing I wanted to share is about explaining the steps in voiceover. I'm not sure if it helps because the visuals in the video are kind of self-explanatory, but still I feel that explaining these steps clarifies many details. And it's been quite a while that I am posting quilling videos on this channel, and now I'm looking for a change. Earlier I also uploaded some journaling videos on this channel, but I took them down for some reason. But now I am planning to shoot more of them and post them on this channel. Now coming back to the card, I think this card turned out nice. I messed up with the font a little bit, but I think it looks alright. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and until next video, bye.